FRST stock is in a strong bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bearishly lower, as you can see, according to this piece written on investing.com. Over the past year, FRST has seen its value decrease by 15.48%, a downturn that investors attribute to a confluence of market pressures and sector-specific hurdles. While currently unprofitable data reviews, analysts expect the company to return to profitability this year, 2025. The bank's performance, echoing broader industry trends, has been closely monitored by shareholders who are keenly awaiting strategic responses that might reverse the downward trajectory and restore confidence in the stock's potential for recovery. Yeah, that is what we're looking at right now. We have upper projections that are not in play at the moment. We have 10.33, 10.59, 10.75. There's no indication that these will print. We have 11.58, 12.07, 12.40. So these ones are not in play. These None of them are actually in play. They were just in play as of three out of these six were in play as of Monday, the 31st of March. So there were expectations that, yes, indeed, as well, we actually spiked, it rebounded. So there is some hope. We can clearly see here now there was a pivot as of as of Wednesday, the 12th of March. There was a pivot and got rejected at 10.34. But today, or indeed yesterday, or not even yesterday, on Wednesday the 2nd, oh no, Wednesday Tuesday the 1st, it even printed lower, 52 week, a new 52-week low, you know. So what are the odds of a rebound? What are the odds? Is there any hope in that regard? You know, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart and see what's going on there. Yeah, on the 4-hour chart, no upper projections. Rather, we have a further downward projection of 9.11. Yeah, 9.11, yes. Based on what we can see here now, and indeed also on the daily chart, I have to go back and point that out. There's a bottom seems to be forming, and the bottom seems to be forming, and then there might be some consolidation when it reaches maybe from next week. So there's some hope that rebound might occur. It's also quite volatile as well. Sometimes it spikes. Let's return to the daily chart and see. On the daily chart, yes, weakness is expected to. It is a bottom is supposed to expected to print by Thursday, by a week from today, and after that, a pivot towards Thursday the 24th. So might is expected to sustain some strength and then cool off again and spike again. So a cycle is expected. A cycle is expected. Maybe a consolidation around maybe this sort of range, around this $10.33 range, maybe. But indeed, as you saw even on this daily chart, it is quite a volatile stock. And let's see now. Let's see whether we can see the hands of machines here. To some extent, there seems to be a hand of the machines. It seems to be playing out on this. They seem to be playing out on this. Not very much. Let's have a look at the weekly chart and see what's going on there. Yeah, a bottom is expected by Tuesday the 27th of May. So nothing really to the upside as such, but you could say to the upside, yes. That will be in the Q4 of this year. it would reach a peak. So not really actually from June. Yeah, by the end of this quarter, it's expected to begin to improve. You know, yeah. So within all of this, let's see now. It's expected to begin to improve by the 2nd of June. Let's see now. Let's see where it fits into this daily chart. Okay, by the 2nd of June, let's see now. So within all of that, okay. So yeah, going towards May. So this goes on. Maybe the strength we'll be looking at now fits into that projection on the weekly chart. So it's you could say that you can even say here it's expected to print a bottom, the second bottom, a second bottom, second trough, yeah, second trough by the 8th of May, and then fits into that projection on the weekly chart that says that strength might begin to come in by the 2nd of June. So we might have a period of a 1 month period of strength, maybe with more cycling as well, you know. Yeah, but if anything, let's see, there might be hope for FRST. Upper projection we have here 10.32. I'm suspecting it might consolidate within this period, within this range, and maybe even print higher prices, maybe much later. Who knows? Let's come back to the weekly chart and see what the projections are saying here. Yeah, we have a projection here 10.21, so pretty much the sort of thing we saw on that daily chart. We have here 10.62 as well. Okay, let's yeah, let's see now. What am I supposed to look again? Yeah, okay, just have a look and see what you make of FRST, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.